Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing awful, terribly. Look at all these demons on my face. Our base today, I'm going with the Vitalist Healthy Elixir by CoverGirl. My trusty photo focus. Whatever. That should be okay. If this gets a little too dark, it's okay. It doesn't really matter because we have concealer. Does anybody think that the smell of this foundation is a little bit? It smells like soda, or is it just me? So we're gonna use this stick to give ourselves some definition to cut those cheeks. Our concealer to brighten those under eyes. So I'm gonna go blend all of this, set it, do my eyebrows, and then I'll be back for the eye look. Alrighty guys. So I did my eyebrows, I did everything, I put some highlight already too. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer shade and we're gonna use that to coat our lid for a good transition. Now we're gonna go in with my Sugar Trip Squad palette and we're gonna use shade number 3, I believe, which is this orange one. I'm just using that shade to pretty much coat my entire eyelid. I'm gonna do a cut crease today. I'm packing the color. It's weird because it looks less orange on camera. It might be that other shade that I put down too. Sometimes shades don't mix well. I was thinking of doing the orange base, but I was like, no, that will work. This will work. I don't need to use an orange base. Yeah. You see right there how it's just not picking up? I go with the Brights palette from Wet n Wild. You guessed it, the orange one. Just like that on my finger. Nothing new, nothing different. I'm just gonna add it on top. Okay, this should help us to add the color. Let's go in again with the same orange shape. So once you have a round-ish shape like this, we're gonna go in with a yellow. I'm gonna go in with Lemonade by Super Beauty, and I'm gonna lightly place it out on the eye, on the edge of that color. We're gonna let them meet each other, and the yellow asks the orange. Aren't you glad I'm here? We're gonna go in and slightly blend with circular motions outward. We're gonna use some glitter primer. Place it in the middle. I've been doing, I think the last thing I did on here was also a cut crease, so let's change it up a bit. And now we're gonna go in with this shade and we're gonna add it right in there. I'm getting some hot Cheeto vibes. Now we're going with Nachos and we're gonna add it in the center, and oh, do you see that? Now that's nice and all, but everything around is not dark enough, so we're gonna darken that a little bit. So I'm gonna use this color from the Kat Von D palette, and we're gonna add just a tad bit right there, and right here. I'm gonna go in with my contour shade, just this one, and I'm gonna add it in here, and a little bit down here, just to deepen that even farther. I'm starting to get like pumpkin vibes. Now, for some reason I want to pull that color and I want it straight down. I'm going to go in with that same shade and we're going to add it right there. Now we're going to go in with Nachos and lightly brighten that. And more up here, why not? And we're going to add some contour to that little thing. I'm going to go in with some of this shade as well. Now to pull it together, we're going to go back with that same paint pot. And we're going to get that deep in the waterline. I feel like I still need a lighter color in my inner corner. Just dropped another color. I'm going to go in with this highlight color, which is white. I'm going to add some mascara. This is my Kush Milk Mascara. I'm going to add some lashes. Do the other eye, add some lashes, and I'll be back with the finished look. Hope this doesn't come as a surprise to you, but I think I'm going pretty Halloweeny. We're going to go in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner and a brush. And we're going to give ourselves a mouth, but you know, just because I'm feeling it. With a lipstick and add some color to the inner portion. And we're going to start pulling it up. You see how easy it is to pull this color up? We're going to go in with this eyeliner and pull more of those little ones down here and some up here. I'm going to add a glossy liner, very thin liner. And I'm going to sort of give him shape. I'm going to give him shape like I would to a skull mouth. We're going to add some Jeffree Star in the very center. With the same brush, pull your color just a little bit further out. So, this is the finished product. I added this. It's just brown and black. Try to cover that nose, trying to get that contoured. Though I need it down here because with this many chokers at once, it looks like I have no neck. Anyway, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you would like to see new videos from me, especially this Halloween season, please subscribe down below. Make sure you ring the little bell. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter at LadyLilith1. And as always, see you guys in the next one. Bye. That outro was a little quirky. I think it's just the Halloween spirit that's coming in from the heavens. It's just blessing us all, and that's the mood. It's the mood for the rest of the year. I'm sorry you have to deal with all this. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.